Your Genesis provides access to information that enables you to find points of interest, or POIs, like Starbucks, no matter where you are. It offers two ways to search for POIs: the destination Search by Voice button on the rearview mirror or the voice recognition button on the left spoke of the steering wheel. The destination Search by Voice button is used for address and for point of interest searches. It uses Genesis Connected Services to search for POIs. You must have an active Genesis Connected Services account to use this. Simply press it and say Starbucks to look for this coffee shop. To focus your results to local Starbucks, you could say something like
Starbucks in Fountain Valley, California.
Once the system pulls up a list of locations, decide which one you want, say its number from the list, and you're on your way. A map will display on screen, and voice guidance will direct you to your destination. The voice recognition button allows you to access the full complement of voice recognition controlled features, such as media source changes, initiating hands-free phone calls, or simply asking the system for help. It can also be used to search for POIs, using one of two methods. It can be set to search for POIs using only your vehicle's navigation system. Or it can be set to use Genesis Connected Services to search for POIs or addresses, as well as increase accuracy of voice recognition capability. To use your Genesis Connected Services account through the voice recognition button, you must turn the feature on. Press Setup, then go to Voice Recognition. Select Use Genesis Connected Services. Now you ask for a POI. On the left spoke of the steering wheel, press the Voice Recognition button. A menu of available services will appear on the display screen. Press or say Find POI or Address. You can use voice commands to tell the system what you want to find. Then make your selection from the list of choices that is generated. Using Genesis Connected Services to search for POIs, either via the destination Search by Voice button or the Voice Recognition button, is the best way to ensure you're getting the most up-to-date information in your searches. But remember, you must have an active Genesis Connected Services account to use it. In addition, since Genesis Connected Services relies on wireless network access, you may have limited access to it in areas with poor wireless service. In these instances, it is recommended that you turn off Use Genesis Connected Services in the voice recognition settings and use the onboard navigation system for searches. The Genesis Connected Services system offers many more benefits and features than mentioned here. To learn more, please consult your owner's manual or go to the Genesis Owners page at mygenesis.com.